on camera. You cut me off on that roundabout, mate. You can straight on that roundabout. You come flying through on the wrong lane. So I've got it on camera.
Oh, did I realise?
Yeah, I'm reporting it to Nottingham City Homes, mate.
Oh, sorry, mate. I didn't realise.
Wait, how can you not realise you cut straight across 3 lanes?
Oh, I didn't realise.
And you didn't even have an indicator on. I've got you all on that, mate.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it on purpose, mate.
But, right, if that's the case then, I understand.
I'm really
Yeah,
sorry, mate,
come on.
you up, mate. I really
Yeah,
am, but I
just
apologise.
watch what you're doing
I'm
next,
not
because
like
if
that.
I was in the bit to the right, I got taken out.
Alright, man, I never even saw you, mate.
Right,
so, yeah.
okay, well I'll let you off, yeah. Just watch out next time, yeah. Right, take a nice day, yeah.
As you go down to the valley.
Oh.
Way up. Just a taxi. Are you in the wrong lane or just can't be asked to wait in this queue and want to push in it here? Yeah, you just want to push in here, don't you? Lazy bastard.
Half a mile. Turn right onto Goldhurst Terrace.
Undertake me in the bus lane.
He did undertake you.
Oh, absolute.
I'll fight.
Ross, is that a fair point?
I think it's
What's happened here then?
Again, for a family to get from Leeds to Manchester on a Saturday is somewhere in the region of 70, 80 pounds before going back to 10 quid. Why would you go on the train?
What's happened here then?
The HS2 fares are going to be.
Oh, looks like someone's in the wrong bloody lane and is blocking traffic. What an absolute tit.
It's as much the British tax rules as well, but one company you have to.
In hell!
That's what people in the government have.
Jesus,
told me.
what
I
a
take
prick.
about the EU laws.
Swung around that corner and then he took out that beamer. Just like the ocean. Oh dear, someone's been pulled.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're pulling in, pulling out, what?
Over to another lane, am I going to figure that out? Looks that way.
Can't see any smash and grab or any sort of cornered off shop.
No idea what's happened. Police cars just sat there. Unless something else has happened here. They're blocking obviously blocking this lane for some reason.
Because there's debris on it, look. Yeah,
Oh.
there's been a big smash and crash. You do
Aftermath of the
UK's #1 vitamin company, from Boots, pharmacies and vitibiotics.com.
When boarding a plane, have you ever longed to turn left instead of right? Enjoy sweet dreams stretched out on an incredible flying bed. Right now, enjoy a free business...
Oh, nice S5. If you're into that kind of thing, very nice. Ooh, what's this? Cool. Is that Cavalier? I think it is. Blast from the past.
Stupid bastard.